Hey there, it's Max again. Let's continue with your virtual moving guide. Each step is designed to help make your move less stressful and more organized. Please remember that we have the full moving guide linked to our webpage. Step 2 in our moving guide is what we here at ROC Apartment Movers believe are the 5 top most important packing tips prior to moving day. Please allow us to give you an insight on what we believe is going to help you out much more in the long run when it comes to packing. Here is a bonus tip right now for you. Don't pack as much as you can in one heavy box. Pack lightly.
Boxes are a staple for moving because they are usually quite regular sized, easy to carry, and if taped together correctly, rarely fall apart. Maximizing your truck space is extremely important. Otherwise, a second trip may be required.
While it may only take you a couple of weeks to pack, it can take 8 weeks or more to unpack at the other end. So though you're just boxing items up for a couple of days, remember that you may not find it for up to 2 months, or perhaps more. Instead of ordering everything online, be sure that you are able to see the product in person before you order boxes that may be way too small or way too big. We offer a variety of boxes, protective boxes, and furniture protection. Please be sure to inquire if you're looking. To my right are stores that you will be able to purchase mostly any supplies for moving that you may need. Wow! Back at this page again. That must mean that we have come to the conclusion of Step 2, which was our top 5 packing tips prior to your move. Remember, this process is one of the most important throughout your entire move. That is why you start packing early, pack lightly, and take your time. It was great seeing you again here. Let's get to packing. Our next guide, which is Step 3, and that is based on packing fragile items. Please subscribe and follow as we will be releasing more videos daily.